Hi, I'm Olivia, and welcome to Olivia Gurra, your go-to for simple, science-backed ways to build mental fitness and regulate your nervous system. Today, we're diving into the vagus nerve, that long, wandering nerve that connects your brain to your heart, lungs, gut, and more. It's the key player in your parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest mode that counters stress and anxiety. When your vagus nerve is activated or has good vagal tone, you feel calmer, digest better, sleep deeper, and even reduce inflammation. The best part? You can stimulate it naturally. No fancy gadgets needed. Before we jump in, a quick but important disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. It's not medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional before trying any new techniques, especially if you have health conditions or are on medication. All right, let's get to the 5 proven vagus nerve hacks that thousands are using right now to reset their nervous system fast. Number 1, deep diaphragmatic breathing, the easiest and most powerful one. This is backed by tons of research, including from Cleveland Clinic and recent studies. Slow, deep belly breaths increase heart rate variability, a direct sign of strong vagal tone. How to do it? Sit or lie down comfortably. Place one hand on your belly. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly rise, not your chest. Hold for 2 to 4 seconds if comfortable. Exhale through your mouth for 6 to 8 seconds, feeling your belly fall. Repeat for 5 to 10 minutes. Try the 4-7-8 pattern. Inhale 4, hold 7, exhale 8. Do this anytime stress hits. You'll feel the calm wash over you almost instantly. Number 2. Cold exposure, specifically the cold face splash or immersion. This triggers the diving reflex, which slows your heart rate and boosts vagus nerve activity big time. UVA Health and other experts call it one of the fastest resets. How to try it? Fill a bowl with cold water. Add ice if you want stronger effect. Hold your breath and dip your face in for 10 to 30 seconds, or just splash cold water on your face and neck. Start gentle if you're new to it. Finish your shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Warning, don't do this if you have heart issues without doctor approval. Number 3, humming, singing, or gargling. Your vagus nerve runs right through your throat and vocal cords, so vibrating them stimulates it directly. Humming creates vibrations that researchers say increase vagal tone quickly. Try this. Hum a low sound, like you're saying om, for 1 to 2 minutes. Feel it in your chest. Or gargle with water vigorously for 30 to 60 seconds, 2 to 3 times. Sing your favorite song out loud. Even laughing hard works similarly. Do it daily. It's fun and effective. Number 4, gentle neck and ear massage. The vagus nerve has branches near your ears and neck. Gentle pressure here can activate it. How? Use your fingers to lightly massage the area behind your earlobes in slow circles for 1 to 2 minutes. Or gently pull your earlobes downward for the neck. Place fingers on the sides of your neck, carotid area, but very lightly, no hard pressure, and massage in small circles. Combine with deep breathing for double effect. Number 5, simple humming plus walking combo, or just slow movement. Movement like slow walking or yoga stimulates the vagus nerve over time, building long-term resilience. Pair it with humming for extra power. Try, go for a 10-minute slow walk outdoors. While walking, practice deep breathing and hum softly. Or do gentle yoga poses like child's pose or legs up the wall. Hold for a few minutes while breathing deeply. These 5 hacks are simple, free, and backed by science from places like Cleveland Clinic, UVA Health, and recent wellness trends. Start with one today, maybe the breathing, and build from there. Consistency is key to better mental fitness and nervous system regulation. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for daily vagus nerve tips and nervous system resets, and drop a comment. Which hack are you trying first? Share your experience. Thanks for watching. Take a deep breath. You've got this. See you in the next one. Stay calm, stay strong.